Hey everybody, guess what we're doing tonight? Playing with old tractors. Well, the 1912 Rumely hadn't run since last fall. And Nate and I said, let's get her running. So, it's running. It's only running on one cylinder. That's right, it only has one cylinder. One cylinder, 375 RPM, full speed. And the tractor is 108 years old. By far the oldest tractor we got. We tried, she would not crank start. We had to give her the old Caterpillar assistance plan. But sitting there running right now. Let me get back so we can get the whole tractor right in the shot there. There it is. Nate's just messing with the carburetor to get her to go better. But that's how it sounds. It's only one cylinder. Hey Mason. What do you think? I'll shut this Caterpillar off so you don't have to listen to extra noise, okay? 1 second. Sorry about the screen wiggling. Have that done in a moment. All right. That's better. Now all we hear is the Rumely. Gonna be a nice sunset tonight. So she's a 1912 Rumely F. Displayed for many years at Prairie Village in South Dakota. I think we've had it 4 or 5 years. I've never really even driven it. Nate's the one who drives it. He knows it pretty well. What do you think now? Not bad for 108 years old, right? It's a 12, right? 1912. How many horsepower?
30, 3060, so 30
It's 1530, right?
My mistake. I don't even.
15 horsepower on the drawbar, 30 on the belt. 375 RPM, one cylinder. This is America right here. Here, we'll get a quick walk around it here so you get a close look at all the sights and sounds. OSHA wasn't involved in the design of this, or the regulations. But there it is, there's the cylinder going that way, and the crankshaft turning this way. Big one-cylinder engine. Hey Cyrus, we'll give you the whole feeling. We'll get right up here on the platform so you can see what it looks like. Oh, got a nice shot of Nate's ass as I came up there. There you go. There's your cylinder head. Cylinder head there, there's the oiler. Are we gonna go for a drive? Okay, Nate's gonna back us up. If you've never ridden on a Rumely, you'll get your chance to watch, right? You can go right around the Cat if you want. I shut it off so we didn't have to listen to it. So we could hear the sweet music of the Rumely. Oh. Look at him crank that wheel. Is that first gear? There's the shift quadrant. How you like that? Huh? There we go. That's first gear. Pop, pop. Mechanical oiler. Big carburetor. There's your push rods. That's it. Huge flywheel. And that's working speed right there, 375 RPM. That's all she turns. Sounds like it's idling, that's all it does. And this thing's had an old repaint, but no restoration other than new wood on the roof. There, you get over next to the trailer, I'll get out and get a little walk around video with it running. Listen to the sound of that, this is awesome. 108 years old. Okay, I'm gonna jump off while you're going. Never mind the wiggly screen. Come on. Listen to that sound. What do you think of that, guys? Isn't that cool? You gonna do a drive-by? There we go. Oh, there's Big Bud in the background. Or Nate's gonna drive her right by. There she is under load. Hey, Rob Wolf's watching. How you doing, Rob? I'm gonna run ahead. Don't get a headache. Hey, you get the full effect right there. Relaxed driver up there. Nate. You people love tractor videos, don't you? Well, we like making them. We like to play with tractors every day, especially in this weather. There you go. Well, I hope you all enjoyed seeing the old Rumely run. Another minute or so, we'll shut her down, but let y'all enjoy the sound of it. I just love the sound of that thing. By the way, we tried to belt start it. It didn't want to go with my unstyled bee. She couldn't hack it. We had to pull it with the cat. There she goes. Hey everybody, 1912 Rumely F, 1 cylinder, 15 horsepower drawbar, 30 on the belt, 375 RPM. The MTA diesel's up on the lawn right now, out in the, uh-oh, she quit. You run out of gas. Oh, guess we gotta quit our video. See ya.